What's going on, guys? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. This week we're going to add to the garage sale playlist. Got out, hit some sales, found some really good stuff actually, but what you really want to do is stick around to the end because I'm going to share a monster bolo with you guys. So even if you're not interested in the yard sale video, just skip to the end and check out this item. You are not going to want to miss this. Ooh, all-star hats up here. That's cool.
That is cool.
This is what I'm interested in over here though. Look at the trolls.
Ooh.
How much are your hats here?
Like
Five? Yeah?
Don't ruin the cat here.
Oh, that's okay. Would a 7 fit you think? That's a cool hat.
They're all my nephews. He just moved to Nebraska, so he left a
So
bunch
he doesn't
of
need any jeans.
And he likes Houston? Is there something wrong with him?
He just likes hats.
Just kidding.
likes. He has so many
likes all,
hats.
like-
It's like,
No, too small.
I don't
So
think he has really has a favorite team.
Oh no, I'm just kidding anyway.
it does not fit me.
He just bought
No,
a Cincinnati
I still
hat.
want it, I think. I don't know about that one, but Cincinnati. Grab different J's hats.
And there's the young lady that wants to purchase
She's
all of her
Mickey
Mickey Mouse stuff.
Oops.
Have a look to and see what catches your
Oh yeah, there's the. Oh, this is an all-star hat.
well, but you never know.
Yeah, we do need that.
Look for her.
Yeah, we're gonna get that for sure.
We can put just our Mickey and Minnie pins on it.
Yeah, definitely.
You guys collect Mickey and Minnie too?
Pins, trading pins.
We're pin trader, but we're just.
Yeah, this is cool.
I like this one here. The cat lives here. And I remember in the,
Oh, so cute.
I like this one here. And
If that'd be good for a Halloween show or not, probably not.
This
I like
here
it though.
cat's gotta find the sandbox.
Yeah.
Do you take cash with her identification?
Okay.
Yeah, they're mixed.
The reason I'm carrying
Do you
this is I had
know
a
what he?
stroke
What's that?
They're
and I
mixed
had
like
to
PS3 and 4.
Okay. Do you know what he wants for any of the, like any of this stuff?
take cash with her
I was gonna say like $10 a game.
Okay.
The PS3 I was asking 50 your best offer, and 4 is $75 your best offer.
Okay.
Put yours in there too?
Nope, that's okay, Darren. I'll just put it in your bag.
Did you not have one of those stompers for cutting up onions?
Onions, no, I like it. I like so.
Well, thank you very much. And when you see your
Does
dad,
that-
say hi.
Does that include the controllers and stuff?
Like
You remember
yeah.
me.
Like the systems?
Yep.
Where's your cake?
Would you do $100 for both of them?
Watchwalk boy.
okay,
Yeah, he will remember me.
perfect.
Sure.
He might be
Yeah.
coming out later.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't think. Yeah, I don't know that there's any games that I need to have just because they're just sports games mostly.
And
But I'd do $100 for both those for sure.
sleeping, you tell your dad.
Yeah, all sports.
I just sold the PlayStations for $100.
Let's see. 20.
That's PlayStations and the controllers. No games.
One. I don't think I. Oh, I might have $10 for the hats, right?
Oh, and I
You
need
can count
tax, so
that.
just give him a 20.
Oh, okay.
That was smooth, honey. Just throw that right in there.
What did you buy?
I bought the.
Oh, the
board,
pin board, right?
And
Yep.
then Mickey.
But then look at this. This matches the hanging one that's in our hallway.
Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. I think we got that at Disney with
Yeah,
the
I'm
kids,
sure
right?
She got this at Disney too.
Yeah. Yeah, that pin board's cool. Let's see it again.
It just says Mickey and Minnie.
And they look like they're in love.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we could put just our Mickey and Minnie pins on there. And
Well, that's awesome.
Oh, for sure. That's awesome.
Well, maybe at the end. Yeah, see what's up. Yeah, because they don't do much. No, honey, when it comes out, it stays out. Yeah. No, I keep on it lower.
Are you going?
What's that?
Are you lower?
No, she keeps saying lower. I should be lower. I'm Angelica.
Angelica.
Yeah.
Do you know what you want for your shoes?
$3.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, have a
Awesome.
good day.
I will.
They're nice ones.
Even
Yeah, the
better
Crocs?
than
I wouldn't wear them. They're too soft.
Oh, really?
You too.
Oh, wow.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like the sole thing soft. Definitely going.
11 to 1.
Yep.
We'll load up the truck.
Alrighty, so $3 you said, right? We've got. You know,
Size too big.
I figure if they don't fit me, they'll fit my father.
Oh, okay.
But we'll see.
You can't go wrong with Crocs.
Yeah, just
I'm gonna go get a glass of water.
not quite, but they're still really nice. Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you? Good.
I wore it once.
Did you?
At the Styx concert. I've worn it since.
Yeah, that's cool though.
I think for the most part it's all ladies' clothes.
Yeah, I can see that.
Just so I'd let you know, just, you
Yeah.
know,
No,
unless
it's
you're
okay.
looking for your girlfriend or something.
Well, I have video games. I have lots of video games.
No, I only asked because I think you had some last year, right? Didn't you have video games last year? I think you did because Rex went through the games I got. There was a couple.
No, I think that was Jack.
Oh, okay.
Jack's an athlete.
Right.
Rex is my sister. We also see him. That's why he's always asking me for PS4.
The DVD player does not work on that. Yeah,
Just the VHS.
VHS still works. So yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
sadly, and that's why I put the movies with it.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, because it's, that's what sucks about those double. I know, I have one too. I had another one where the VHS didn't work. Yeah. Take the dog. All right.
So
What's that? 50. All right. And what are you asking for your shirts?
I just looked and it said $2, but you know what? I'll take $1 for it. It's fine.
So
what am I at here total?
350.
I'll just give you 5 for everything. That's totally fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Right on.
Yeah, thank you.
Give you some change there, missus.
Would you like a bag?
No, that's okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, have a rocking weekend.
Yeah, you too.
Cheers.
See lots of jerseys on the walk-in. Yeah. Hard to say what they want for them, but let's find out. So I'm just doing the edit now. A lot of these jerseys are Chinese knockoffs, and I know that, and that's sort of why I'm gravitating towards the older jerseys. They're also playing music, which is super loud. So I'm just gonna kind of break down the clips, but let's take a look. Well, that's why I had seen the CCM, but yeah, it's still it's a newer one, right? Well, and obviously new.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like any other team, you just gotta say.
I'm actually a baseball fan, but I don't see any baseball jerseys, so.
What do you want?
What do you got?
Well, if you got 5 minutes to wait there, if you're interested, I'll bring up 6 or 7 jerseys.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
So yeah, I didn't really know what to expect. He goes downstairs, comes back. It did take a little while, I'm not gonna lie, but I was pretty happy with what he brought back. Because of a copyright issue, I have to do a voiceover right here, but he's bringing out the jerseys. This is a modern Derek Jeter jersey. It's a throwback jersey, but it's another one of the knockoffs. So, you know, it was kind of interesting, but I didn't really look at it too close. Bo Bichette, also a modern knockoff jersey. Very nice jersey. I think I actually own that one anyway. And this is just a city jersey. It says New York. It almost looks like the FUBU ones that, you know, back in the day people had. Now, there was a few good vintage ones right here. This one in particular was excellent. It was the Oakland Athletics. This one I'm very interested in.
That's cool. And that's the Cubs. And the Braves.
So yeah, we have a Cubs and a Braves one right here. The one he's holding in his hand right now is a Tigers jersey. It's a True Fans jersey. They're kind of, you know, they're a lot like the Ravens jerseys. They're just another unofficial brand. Really cool though, official license. Not worth a ton of money for sure. That Orioles jersey is dirty, super dirty. You're gonna see here in a minute. I will go back to the regular audio, but yeah, let's take a look. What's that?
All American.
Yep.
This one is terrible.
The shape isn't great, but
No, this one is terrible.
Yeah.
was it soda?
Not put that one
Sosa. Yeah.
Sosa?
on. Oh my god.
Yeah. No, that one is terrible.
Okay, alright.
I've never noticed that. But they've been in storage, eh?
Okay.
But I've got
What about
jackets.
hats and stuff? You got any hats?
No, just hockey.
What do you want for like? Well, like definitely the Oakland one I think is cool. I like the older ones for sure, but
You like the older ones? This one here, you can have for $30.
$30, yeah.
Yeah.
I would do that.
Yeah.
The one she's taking away, I'd try to clean up for 20, but
Hey, Bird. Sharon, bring that back. Yeah.
I think if I soak it in OxyClean, most of that
You
would come
can.
out.
You can. These
Yeah.
ones I always keep in plastic, and I took the plastics off when I was downstairs. But that one was in a bin, and I must have 50 of them in a bin.
Okay.
And I've got like jackets and that.
Yeah, these stains will come out.
I'm just gonna soak it in OxyClean. I think it'll come out.
It will.
Yeah.
It'll come out.
Yeah, you can have them both for $50
Yeah. Yeah.
if you want.
Cool.
Saves me from cleaning.
Yeah.
Or Sharon.
I had noticed that one was in that condition, like the same condition of all the other ones.
Yeah.
But that.
Thanks, buddy. Here, Bird.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. So, some of these other ones, are these legitimate or are these from like China? I've bought tons from China myself, but I wasn't sure.
Oh yeah. No. I'd never sell them here.
Yeah.
$200, $250 like a piece for jerseys. But this one, there's no way you can tell the difference. I
Oh, I know.
One, and I'll bring it here. And I had people fooled because I've done this for 40 years.
Yep.
And I'm getting out of it. My son took every bit of memorabilia that he wanted. And like I said, I've got close to 300 jerseys now.
Oh yeah.
And
Yeah.
memorabilia and that. He just doesn't want any more. His basement's full. But
So yeah, pretty interesting. A lot of Chinese knockoffs there, but this Orioles is definitely not. It's an old Majestic. It is dirty. You know, that's pretty sweet. I think if I clean this up, it'll be worth some good money. You know, Oakland's gonna move. This is a cool jersey. I know somebody who would really love to have this. It's a Raven. If not, we're gonna sell it. Yeah, I think they're both worth some pretty good money. All right, so as promised, I'm gonna show you what I found at Goodwill. Now, first off, let's start with just these regular. These are Loudmouths. They are just golf club grips, right? So $4.79 at Goodwill. 2 of those brand new in package, and then 1 out of package. They're in good shape. I would say all 3 are like brand new. I'll throw some similar comps up. I'm gonna say probably $30 to $40 for these guys, but here's the good ones. Okay, so we have 3 of these. These are Scotty Camerons. Okay, you can see Scotty Cameron, Titleist on the back there. Pretty cool. We got a pink, a green, and a blue. Same thing, $4.99 for all 3. I'll try to find comps as close as I can for all 3. Now these aren't even the best ones. I think these ones are gonna be about $60 to $80 a piece. They could be a lot more. I'll find you know, some pretty close comps and throw them up on screen so you can see. Now these guys, wow. We'll take them out of here. So all 6 that are in here were $4.79. So we have a set of 3 red. Okay. When you look them up, I think they say they're Scotty Cameron design dancing for some reason. Also Titleist. Got a set of, I don't know if they're a set, but I got 3 black ones. Same thing, the Titleist. So I would say these are all brand new, never used, and just one alone, seems to sell for about $140. Some are listed for like over $200. These things are crazy. I'm so happy to find these. I was out last night at Goodwill with my wife and my niece and nephew. We had just went to the driving range, went out for, I think we had Subway, and I'd already been to Goodwill that day, and we decided just to kind of, she's like, do you want to go back? I'm like, yeah, I would go back, because, you know, the kids like it. She's going to have fun looking around. So we went around, and my nephew, the youngest, I think he brought this one up and said, hey, what is this? This looks cool. I'm like, oh, you know, I thought, okay, that might be okay. So when I went over there and looked, bright colors got my attention. Seen the Scotty Cameron, and then, you know, I seen a whole bunch of Scotty Cameron. So these are awesome. I'm not into them very much at all. Yeah, and there's some pretty decent money there. I think right here alone, the black and red ones, I'm gonna make probably $600 in profit there alone. There's so much money in these handles. So Scotty Cameron, if you don't know that one, it's a huge golf polo. This loudmouth, it's okay, right? This is just sort of more basic. They're kind of cooler in a way, right? These are skulls. Got the flame one. This one's like graffiti. However, if you're into golf, Scotty Cameron, that stuff is on fire. I think we can all agree the Scotty Cameron stuff kind of stole the show this week. The jerseys, though, probably my personal favorite, even though the Scotty Cameron stuff's worth more money. I just love the jerseys, right? Vintage jerseys are cool to me. You know, the guy selling knockoff jerseys, and I clearly, you know, could kind of tell that those were probably, you know, Chinese jerseys. You know, that's maybe a little bit more controversial, but I do know the ones that I picked up are authentic and from the 90s. So that's really cool. I'm really happy with that. And you know, I definitely do have some Chinese jerseys myself, some like baseball ones. I wouldn't try to sell stuff like that online though. You know, it's fine for personal use, but anywhere past that, probably not a good idea. And like always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Until next time, take care, stay safe, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.